Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your screen going black when you're opening up a game on your PlayStation 5. And when you rotate between games, this can get really annoying. So for me, it was a simple setting. So let's go up the top, go to settings here, and scroll on down to where it says screen and video. Then we can go to video output and go to the right and go on down. And this is what it was for me. It was called HDR. So I had it set to on when supported before. Now I just went to always on. So in some games, it might make the HDR look a little bit strange if it's like an older PS4 game, but this should prevent it from going to a black screen each time. Then we can look at other options too. One of the other options, like 120 hertz, could be causing this issue. You could try turning this off as well. And then there's one other issue that you could try turning off, VRR. You could try turning that off and see if that makes a difference as well. So between those three settings, just look at that and see if that makes a difference for your black screens. Also, you can go up to the screen resolution and maybe just set your screen resolution to the highest possible on your TV, 2160 for me, and see if that stops it switching the resolution as well. But I just have mine on automatic. And as soon as I went to on when supported for the HDR, no problem. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.